something like B60, and it was it seemed kind of aggressive, but it's the neighbors try to get and sometimes they probably crash. And honestly, they both has those neighbors have two cars. One has two white cars and one has one black car and one white and blue car. Another thing is like they probably make flashing for they have probably they're gonna back out. What if they try to block? What if they try to block just back out of the driveway? What if they try to back out of the driveway? What if they drive out of the driveway? No. So, they're supposed to go, they want to die or something. This question to you is what really happened with the train that I was on. Yeah. I'm listening to like 360 so and I don't know how to say business. So, but one of my friends in that neighborhood, yeah, I was in education.